I have been thinking too much, said I. And if I'm willing to do something about it, I may as well write about it. For years, I didn't know how to express my feelings without writing them down. So I took a pen and paper to write. To write about the beauty of nature, the calmness of it, the splashing sound of the water, the fresh pleasant air, the aromatic ravishing flowers and plants, the indescribable verdant beauty of it. The beauty of nature is glorious, very peaceful and brisk, for it brings happiness and comfort to those who write or want to clear their mind from something. Every time I sit, I say to myself, the beauty of nature lies everywhere around us. Everything we see, hear, touch and feel. The forests, the rivers, the animals, the birds, the plants, the flowers and everything in it. And if a true living poet understood the beauty of a nature and spent so much time in it, meditating and writing, he's had a beautiful life every wise will wish for. Whenever sadness comes knocking at my door, I do not fear it. I find a quiet place to think, to write, to live more, to play games, to teach myself how to love me more, to appreciate nature and its beauty. And then I'm able to live and find release.